Today, at Holmes County, Florida, a tragic accident occurred on Wednesday morning when a semi-truck veered off Interstate 10 and collided with a tree around the 99-mile marker. The incident was reported at approximately 8:30 a.m. The 53-year-old driver from Tampa, Florida, was pronounced dead at the scene by Holmes County EMS. Florida Highway Patrol, assisted by local EMS, sheriff's deputies, and fire rescue teams, responded to the crash site. We report news and connect you with the top local resources standing by to help.